H.T.T.M Productions.
Get so high that I'm flying with the birds. I swear I'm a puppeteer the way I play with these words. Anxiety turns to sadness, sadness turns to rage. That's why I gotta write my feelings on a page. So I smudge with some sage. Ask the creator to bless my family every day. Keep this knife on me just to feel fucking safe. Because I come from a dangerous place. Even your own family could be snakes. Could be snakes. I remember knocking on Kelly's door just so my mom could fucking score. Till I tried to tell him fuck you no more. Then he got his goons scared and let me roll to the floor. Getting so high that I'm flying with the birds. Swear I'm a puppeteer the way I play with these words. Play with these words. Damn, this pain in my head will never be silent. I wish I wasn't so goddamn violent. Gotta get high just to be okay. Gotta smoke, just to calm my fucking brain. That's why I'm always smoking on these different strains. Smoking on these different strains. Hope one day they will all be straight. No more worrying about bills if they're late. Hope one day I can lay this pain to rest. I just wanna be my best. Diablo.